Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Piemations. Today we're here to watch another video. Today we're here to watch Suction Cup Man Fights a Bird, another installment in the Suction Cup universe. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. If you want to watch original video, links will be in the description down below. Going to Piemations. And let's go. In 3, 2, 1, play. Tiny screen. You insulted it. Great. You just you insult the dang thing, and then you expected to, you don't even know what you said. Ow. Just climb up that wall. Why that specific wall you want to climb on? I forgot that Suction Man is quite stubborn when he wants to start climbing on a particular surface. So that's one way. Huh. For Suction Cup Man, well, toon logic, he definitely could not die by that. But I think at one point we already seen what happened when he died one time, and it apparently didn't matter to him. Damn. Why is this pigeon so aggressive? Oh, man. Hey, for anybody that would like to go ahead and, or you guys are thinking the same thing, a vote to make Suction Cup Man part of the, Smash Bros. Universe, I think that he would probably be a good candidate or whatever, probably Brawlhalla, maybe. To be fair, you kind of had that coming. It was just sitting there. Now, just to let that man had done his business, he wouldn't have done that. Now, look at you now, homeless. That's terrible. I'd like to see the people that look through the window watching all this. Just see this man just doing a speedy crawl up this wall, up this building. A crowbar? Oh, don't look at sad at me now. Don't be looking sad at me now. You went it now. After all that you did, I fell down this building twice, and now you want me to feel sorry for you because I lost your home? You know what? I'm not sorry I did that. I don't care that you lost your house. I was expecting the CEO to make a appearance, and I'm. Don't forget the chips. There we go. Oh man, Suction Cup Man will never get old. I guess he made a new friend now, despite the trials and challenges. Oh boy. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. That was Suction Cup Man Fights a Bird. Another gem from Piemations. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. This has been Vibe Nation, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.